Great morning to respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Alan Matthew, would like to present ancient civilization. What is civilization? A civilization is a complex human society usually made up of different cities with certain characteristics of culturally, technologically development. In this module, we will learn about various Asian civilizations. First, Indus Valley Civilization. Second, Ancient Egypt Civilization. Third, Mesopotamia Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Indus Civilization, was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern regions of South Asia lasting from BCE 3300 to 1300 BC and its measure from 2600 BC to 1900 BC. Geography. The geography of Indus River Valley Civilization was located in a small area from being on the banks of the large Indus River of the Indus Valley Civilization was surrounded by forests, deserts and ocean making it very fertile land. In the Indus Valley Civilization, we get to know about the invention of wheels, pottery and jewelries. Significant features of Indus Valley civilization are personal cleanliness, town planning, construction of burnt brick houses, ceramic, casting, etc. Mohenjo-daro people had fitness bath facilities, drainage system, and knowledge of personal hygiene. The most unique feature of the Harappan civilization was the development of urban centers. Mesopotamia civilization is a historical region of Western Asia situated within the Tigris-Euphrates river system in the northern part of the Fertile Crescent. It occupies the area of present-day Iraq and parts of Iran, Turkey, Syria, and Kuwait. Meso means Iraq. What is meant by Mesopotamian civilization? Mesopotamians are the words that are derived from the Greek meaning between two rivers, was an ancient region located in the eastern Mediterranean bounded in the northeast by the Zagros Mountains and the southeast by the Arabian Plateau corresponding to the modern days. It was invented by Sir Thomas Roe in 9221. Facts about Mesopotamia civilization. Fact number 1. It is named Mesopotamia due to its location between the river Euphrates and Tigris. Second, Sumer was the first urban civilization in ancient Mesopotamia. Third, Mesopotamia city Uruk was perhaps the largest city in the world at the time. Fourth fact, Mesopotamia is often referred cradle of life. Fact number 5, its history is marked by many important inventions that hang the world, including the concept of time, maths, the wheel, including the maps and writing. Facts about Indus Valley civilization. Fact number 1. Indus Valley civilization was the largest among the four civilizations of the world, Mesopotamia, Egypt and China. Since the first settlement was discovered along with the banks of river Indus, the archaeologists named the civilization as Indus Valley Civilization, but on the contrary, along around 100 sites have been found in the Indus Valley, while over 500 sites are found at the Ghaggar Hakra River. Third, most of the archaeologists prefer to call them Indus Saraswati cultivation based on the two river system, while others prefer to name them as Harappan civilization as the first settlement was discovered in the city Harappa. Ancient Egypt civilization. Ancient Egypt was a civilization of ancient North Africa concentrated along the lower reaches the Nile River, situated in the place that is now in the country Egypt. In the ancient Egyptian civilization, we get to know about architecture, religion, and etc. The facts about ancient Egypt. Fact number 1, they lived along the river Nile. Fact number 2, pyramids and tombs were used for pharaohs. Third, they preserve bodies. Fourth, it is more about 30 centuries. Fifth, they grow crop, wheat, barley, wines. It was invented by King's Mins. We will have true civilization until we have learned to recognize the right of others. With this, I remain. Thank you.